Hey guys, so quick video. I'm going to show you if it's possible to crossplay DayZ. Is not. So even there was like this comment, while it's perfectly viable from technology perspective, there is noticeable imbalance between platforms because of controls and inventory management. Before considering cross-platform, we would need to think about solution for this problem. So they have no intention of adding crossplay at all. So there isn't crossplay for DayZ. Is not cross platform. So yeah. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.